There is a power outlet for small electrical devices such as cellular phones on the instrument panel. Please see the manufacturer's owner's manual supplied with your device for detailed information when connecting a device to the outlet. The power outlet is powered only when the ignition switch is in the ACC or on position. To use the power outlet, open the cap. Leaving a device connected to the power outlet with the ignition left in the ACC or on position with the engine off can discharge the battery and the vehicle may not start. If so equipped, there is a 120-volt power outlet for the second row and also in the truck bed. To use the 120-volt outlets, push the power inverter switch to the on position. The switch will illuminate when turned on. Use the 120-volt power outlets only with the engine running to avoid discharging your vehicle battery. Power is available when the vehicle is in the park position with the engine running or in the on position. When the vehicle is in the drive position and the power inverter switch is turned on, both outlets are active. However, only the 150-watt light will illuminate. When you have finished using an outlet, be sure to turn off the power inverter switch. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.